Or, actually, we're going to start as soon as we're done with cookies. We're going to do another recipe that is on our recipe tree. And what's it called, Jane? It's your recipe, right?
No, it's called the best dadgum
Pasta y'all ever tasted.
y'all ever tasted, and that's from our friend Patty from Texas.
All right. Texas in the house.
Texas in the house.
Okay, so we're going to finish our cookies. We'll just chit-chat until they're done and put aside to cool off. So right now, just so you understand our technology, for anyone who cares, we're streaming live on YouTube and we're streaming live on TikTok. 2 different devices. One is a phone, one is a tablet. And we're doing a marathon. We've worked very hard for the last few years in making this a place where we call it the Roots Crew. And we're looking for people to join our Roots Crew. Go ahead, Jane. Tell us what a Roots Crew means to you.
Roots Crew, for me, in the garden, and I've said this before, if you've seen any of my YouTube videos with my backwards hat and my plaid shirt, and
Which is not Jill approved.
no yippick,
No,
no
you pick.
lipstick, no nothing.
You from Home Depot. Come
Yeah.
on over here, Jane.
Yeah. Where was I going with all this?
Our Roots Crew.
Our Roots
We
Crew.
haven't even had
Yeah.
a drink of wine yet. and
So
she's
my
crazy.
Roots Crew is the people who come out when it's freezing cold, raining. They come and help me in the garden. Doesn't matter what's going on. Doesn't matter what's going on. They come out and help me. That's my Roots Crew.
Right.
That's my gardening Roots Crew. And then I have another Roots Crew, which is the Our Recipe Roots Crew, who's everyone,
Once again, the twin is there.
Yeah, but we have our crew, and Ann's husband's been super supportive, and Norma, our younger sister, and our partners have all been supporting us in doing all this, taking all the time and doing the social media stuff, or making recipes and adding them. Yeah,
Jake's your taste
So that's-
tester.
yeah. Jake's my taste tester. He's brave, man. He put a lot of horseradish on that meat before we knew the heat level. So yeah, you'll have to check out those videos. But yeah, the Roots Crew is your people you can count on. That's your Roots Crew.
Right. And we all need that. And so what I was saying earlier with technology, in some ways it separates us. It allows people to say things that they wouldn't say normally. It can cause contention, but it can also create events like this where we can be together, we can cook together, we can, my aunt, we have one of our, I'll call her cousin, she's married to Jill and Jane's brother, Brian, and she is a quilter and she is an artisan for sure. And it makes me think of, we had my mom's cousin that they used to chum with, Aunt Ronnie we called her. So she used to say, everybody needs a stitching bitch. So, that's kind of what we're doing here today. And male, female, doesn't matter what your religion is, doesn't matter. We all break bread, we all enjoy food, and that's what our recipe tree and these events are about. So we encourage you to join us, share your recipes, subscribe, like us, share us. We're not really concentrating on TikTok today, but we would love for you to follow us if you will. And we will do a TikTok marathon, but today is about a YouTube marathon. And so we'd really appreciate, we're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers today. If you can't stick around, please go ahead and subscribe. Come back and see us. We've got over 400 videos now. We've had lots of fun. Jane is hilarious. So I don't know.
Videos from Jill.
Jill's got her exactly videos,
Oh, right.
but not in the garden with no yipstick. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but there's a great video online. You'll have to look it up if you haven't seen it. It's a little girl.
Put the link in the comments.
And she,
Find it.
oh my goodness, she's so funny. She's got lipstick all over her face, and her dad's saying to her, "Well, where'd you get the lipstick?" "It's mine." And it's so cute because he says, "Well, where'd you get it?" "I bought it." "And where'd you buy it?" "Home Depot." It's absolutely adorable. So we always laugh about get your lipstick on. But anyway, so Jill, we're gonna let's go sit down and
Okay.
I'm going to share this with you since we're on here. Jane,
Yeah, show the lake.
I'm going to show the lake, and I'm going to show. So this is
Oh, yeah.
a beautiful gift that Jane and Jill got for me.
We had commissioned.
They commissioned it from a friend of mine that I grew up with.
Two friends.
Yeah, 2 friends, and it's stained glass, and it's a mermaid for here at the lake. We are blessed and live on a little lake in Michigan, and that's where we're hanging out today and trying to change the world and get subscribers and share our recipes and help people feel a little less alone in this world. That's what we're all about.
So tell them about the artist.
Oh, so we have Karen and Anita, and they both did a rendition of a mermaid, and I picked this one. Really, they were both absolutely stunning, and I don't know why I picked this one. I just did. It spoke to me, and it was kind of neat because I didn't expect it at all. And when I came home, I said to my husband, where are we going to put this? And he goes, well, right there. And there it is, right in front of the lake.
Yeah.
Perfection.
Yeah.
The most perfect spot for her to be. And it's been lovely.
And they are also from Amherstburg, the greatest town in the world.
That's Amherstburg, Ontario, for anyone that needs clarification.
Yeah.
Not all of these people were here in our first hour. So for the TikTok folks, that's Amherstburg, Ontario, Canada we're talking about. But right now we're in Michigan. And
We didn't want to tell the story behind this.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
Anne thinks she's a mermaid. She believes she's a mermaid. She tells
Oh, yeah, I
everybody.
do.
So that was the reason behind it. So we wanted it to
Oh,
look
so
like
you gotta
Anne
hold this, and I'm
with
gonna
her-
get my mermaid dress and show everybody.
Oh yeah. So we wanted it, to have Anne's Goldilocks and, to represent her, and we wanted her holding a pearl because her mom's name was Pearl. So that's
So
the
you
story.
can see.
So look
There's
at my
the
dress,
pearl.
everybody, that I found.
Oh yeah.
Look, seriously, it was made for me, you guys.
It
I
seriously
think you
was.
did a video on it.
I did.
You
did
wore
a
it on the
video.
beach.
Yes, it's wonderful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Honest to goodness, I don't even want you to know how much I paid for it because you'd be so jelly.
Did you buy it at an estate
Yeah.
sale?
I did.
Anne loves a good estate sale.
Yeah. So this is the lake she lives on in Michigan. This is what she was missing during COVID, and not stuck in Canada, but kind of stuck in